sit up here. Try to don't lean back. Leaning back only makes him hang into it harder because he's already hanging. So you have to just kind of think, wait a minute, get up here. So you have to tell him that he has to come up. He has to think up. Then you can tell him a little bit down. You say, no, come. And then you say, okay, you allow. No, come. Then you will allow. Something has to change now. This is too drastic. So if we kind of let him go around and say, oh, be nice to him. Well, nice isn't good enough. So you have to kind of make him realize this, take the come and say, come, get out. Thank you. Then you say, okay, nice boy. So then you say, well, then I'm going to find where you are. So, but try to make him realize that you close your fingers. And try to think about it. This is what you want. Make him look a little bit up. Now you have to be nice here, yeah? So he has to realize up there. Also, I made it one title. But you have to think that he has to understand that he has to give a little push with your leg, then he goes down. And then put your hands back in a nice place. So that he's understand in the moment, up a little bit, put your hands back down. So you just give an 8 and you say, okay, that's all I want. Do you understand? And hold on, sorry. Now, on the next long side, what you're going to do is you're going to do some leg hearing along the rail. Have you done this before, Ella? You face the rail, and then you go a little bit sideways. So your right leg does the horse has to go sideways along the fence. Go to the corner first. Go to the corner. Now, you go. And go a little sideways. That's it. Move it. Move the hind leg a little in. Just let it go, let it go. That's it. And really what it teaches about is a little bit of coordination of the aids I call it. So you have to go through. See? You have to go through the leg, you have to go through the legs. So you have to do a little bit. Yeah? That is very good. Go. Yes. That is fine. Go straight to the ears. So you don't get out to the wrong side. Just sit with the hole. A little stopping. Say come a little sideways. A little stopping. Come a little sideways. Go a little sideways. Go a little sideways. Just use your leg. There you go. That's it. No choice. Fine. And go straight ahead. Perfect. And then go open. Think of him looking over the fence, not down at the fence. You understand? Yeah. So every time you do that, you say, look over the fence, not down at the fence. That's it. And then go straight ahead. If you don't change it now, you're going to run on your horse's nose constantly. Say up, and then you say, okay, what a good boy. Put your hands back down. And don't press too hard. Just do it. Oh, we do that again. Later. The next side here, you do it again. Good. You see right there, just go sideways. Not more angle than that, because he's able to cross with the right front and the right hand to the left. That's it. Keep going, keep moving. So you're moving a little. There you go. You don't need to put the leg too far behind when you have to forward your lunges, yeah? If you put it too far behind, you overturns. Do it again, please. That's it. Very good. That's good. And you are. And now again, take a little hands to the side here. Just a little. There you go. Now you see movement. The moment to the turn, you say, go on. Keep the energy down. That's it. See, let the energy down. Excellent. She said, my God, what do you do? Good job. And go straight ahead. Well done. And then just everything. Exit the nose. Usually you have to look outward. So you have to go with the and look outward. And not to go cancer again. Yes? And you ask slide it down. Not more you slide it in. Use a little bit more your back. That's it. Use a little bit more your back. Because every time you close a little bit of your hands, you have to close a little bit of the leg. The horse by itself can't keep it up, you understand? It just has to run its own. That's it. Now, you're lifting your hands, Tracy, but the horse is going low. Feel a little bit of your hands in front, then you say, come on. You're not going backwards. Stay